Anti-clockwise or clockwise? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Anti-clockwise. Anti-clockwise. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then clockwise. On 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Smart straight. Pwede trainers ke bawah khiah lagi. Upward, downward. Count. 1. Count bawah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ini ke elbow kita pegang straight. Ini kunci. Kalau ke elbow pakai kaki kita pegang straight. 10 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax with deep breathing. Then out deep breathing first to and breathe in, breathe out in a very relaxed mode. Okay, turn to one. Turn to right side. Turn it to the leg with flex. Right. Turn to the right, then hard. Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now bring to 90 degree slowly and maintain 10 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Relax and 90 degrees. 45. After 45 degrees, you bring slowly to 90 degrees. Then you come to take and count 10. Okay. 1, 2,